Welcome back to Tech Talks. This is part 4 of the fiber series, and we're probably going to talk about my favorite application for eFiber, and that's making a bulletproof denture. Now, this can be used for your long-term provisionals. This can be used for your immediate loaded implant cases, those important cases where the patient has invested significant time, money, and trust, and we don't want to have a broken prosthesis in 2-3 days. So this is a great way and an economical way to provide that peace of mind for you and your patients who have those immediate load or those long-term temporary dentures. So when I said superdenture, basically what we're doing is we're taking a look at the forces of tension and compression on a denture and seeing where we need to add strength. If we're talking about a maxillary denture and we do a 3-dimensional finite element analysis of where the tension and compression is, we all know where that's going to be. It's midline. It's the incisal notch. Basically, the area right underneath the teeth, the juncture of the teeth and acrylic, is where that fracture propagates. And then that fracture comes all the way back until it hits the palate. So while reinforcing the palate might provide some rigidity, some strength, great way to go, it's not going to stop the crack from propagating. So ideally what we're going to do on a traditional denture, and by traditional I'm talking about a poured, a packed, an ivocap system we're injecting, any of those, what we're going to do is once the teeth are boiled out, they're clean, they're squeaky clean, we're going to take a piece of our eFiber and basically we're just going to bond it to our denture teeth. If they're composite teeth, paint a little bit of silane. If they're acrylic teeth, paint a little bit of monomer. Take the fiber out, press it into the tooth. As we all know, it's flexible, it's pliable. Flatten it out, you can keep it round, and take a handheld light and just cure it to your teeth. 3 to 5 second cure per tooth, go around the arch. After you have the fiber tacked in place, keep in mind it has memory, it's going to want to bounce back. Go through and give it a full light cure cycle. You can put it in one of your boxes. Again, you can use your handheld light. After that, process your denture as normal. What we've done is we've placed our reinforcement perpendicular to the fracture forces. So the fracture forces are going to come down. If you think about reinforcement like a piece of wood, all of a sudden those fracture forces are trying to chop a piece of wood perpendicular. That's hard. If we had placed the fiber running up, it'd be easy to slice it. So we're placing the reinforcement perpendicular and stopping the crack before it propagates. It's easy, it's simple, it doesn't take any extra space because it's translucent. As we all know, eFiber bonds with your PMMAs, so it's not a foreign substance in there. Furthermore, you get the additional benefit of you're going to be splinting your teeth together. So you're going to have more bond strength with your teeth because they're splinted together, and theoretically that's going to stop more teeth from popping off than before. Now, if we're talking about digital dentures, a simple way to do this is before you print your denture, go in your software and trough out a 1.5 millimeter trough right at the top of your denture base material, where the teeth are going to be luted. Go in there, after it's printed, place the fiber in place, use your light cure printing liquid to lute it in there, and then lute the teeth in place. Thank you for joining us for Tech Talks. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for joining us for Tech Talks by PREAT. This concludes our 4-part series on fiber, eFiber denture reinforcement. Interested in learning more about the products you've seen here today? Visit us on the web at www.preat.com. Have a question you'd like to submit? Email us at techtalks@preat.com. That's TECHTALKS@preat.com.